Strange Times Barber Shop has earned a reputation as a top barber in Summerlin, Nevada, delivering precision cuts, sharp fades, and modern styles tailored to every client. With a team of skilled professionals dedicated to exceptional grooming experiences, we combine classic barbershop charm with contemporary techniques that keep our clients looking sharp and confident. Whether you're after a traditional gentleman's cut or a bold new style, we're the trusted destination for men who value quality and detail. Discover why locals consider us the go-to Barber Summerlin, Nevada spot. Call us today to book your appointment. What are the haircut styles offered? At Strange Times Barber Shop, we offer a wide range of haircut styles including skin fades, tapers, textured crops, classic side parts, pompadours, buzz cuts, and custom modern styles, all tailored to suit your hair type and personal look. Are beard grooming services offered in Strange Times Barber Shop? Yes, Strange Times Barber Shop offers expert beard grooming services including trims, shaping, lineups, and hot towel shaves, perfect for maintaining a clean, sharp, and well-defined look. What are the areas near Summerlin, Nevada does Strange Times Barber Shop provide services? Strange Times Barber Shop, located in Summerlin, Nevada, proudly serves clients from nearby cities including Las Vegas, Dike, Arden, Sunrise Manor, Lovell, East Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Whitney, Paradise, Boulder Junction, Hillegas, Winterwood, Winchester, and Eastland Heights, Nevada. Where is the location of Strange Times Barber Shop near Summerlin, Nevada? We are located at 9765 West Charleston Boulevard, number 109, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89117. Our phone number is 702-690-9502. Visit our website, www.strangetimesbarbers.com.